singing?
No, just now I started.
That song made me hungry. Let's go to the fast food restaurant. Hi, welcome to fast food. Can I help you?
It's your shirt.
Yes, please. I like a fruit salad. I'll take a banana and a
He's
banana.
taking off his shirt. He's like, I don't want this shirt anymore.
Banana.
He's trying to let him try to take it off.
Banana both families has 4 banana slices and 2 strawberries. You need 2 strawberries. 1, 2.
That guy is.
Yep, exactly what I was thinking.
And I need you to help me count 4 banana slices. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 banana slices and 2 strawberries. Order up. There you are, a banana fruit salad. Wow, that was fast. Thank you. You're welcome. Hi, welcome to fast food. Can I help you?
Rossi, where's the cars?
I'll have a strawberry spectacular, please.
Yeah.
Okay.
Make it fast.
Razzie, sit down.
Spectacular has strawberries, blueberries, and orange slices.
He doesn't stop moving.
He doesn't. He's just like me when I'm playing the bowling game on the PlayStation. I'm always stepping back and forth. I can't. Razzie, look where you're stepping.
Orange slices.
Put the blocks back in the bucket. That's a lot of put the.
Okay, yo. Hey.
Hurry. Help me count 7 strawberries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10? Uh-oh.
10.
That's too many. Go backwards with me. 10, 9, 8, 7. 7 strawberries left. Thanks for your help. Order up. Here you go. 1 strawberry.
Okay, bye.
Thank you.
He's coming.